So I just upgraded my AirPods Pro to the 2nd generation, and I want to keep these protected, so I got this Elago Armor Case, so let's check it out. All right, so there's these 3 things that come in the box. There's going to be this mini instruction booklet with this sticker or adhesive, a lanyard strap with the logo Elago, and finally the case itself. So this is going to be a silicone material, so it's going to be very squishy, very flexible, and putting the AirPods in here is going to be easy. You just slide it right in, and actually it's going to be, yep, it is this way because the indentation is right here, so the light can still be seen through when I open it. Yep, you can see the orange right there. Then this one will go just like this. Now that looks pretty good, but the only issue is that this cover will come off if you just, pull it hard enough. Actually, you don't even have to pull it hard, but that's why the adhesives are here. So I'm only gonna need one of them. And this goes at the bottom of this. So simply pull this right out. And then stick this at the bottom, just like so. Give it a good push, and then this can come right off. And the adhesive is still stuck in there, if you can see that. So now when I put it here, I gotta make sure I put it the right way first. There, now it's gonna be nice and secure. All right, there. Now it's all ready, and now I'll never lose these AirPods. But that's a quick look at the Elago Armor Case.